Hey guys, welcome to Digi review. In this video, I'll be giving the complete walkthrough about Sketch Genius application. Sketch Genius is a super unique and mind-blowing video technology. It's a completely cloud-based application. Sketch Genius will be helping in converting photos into high-impact 3D sketch animated videos using the next generation artificial intelligence. After 10 back-to-back $1 million blockbusters, Paul and Sid are back with another mega launch software. Also, a request to be with me till end to receive your free bills. For the first time ever with Sketch Genius application, you can now transform boring static photos into visually captivating 3D drawings and sketch animated videos in various colors, sketch styles and backgrounds within minutes. It helps to create super unique videos that stand out from a crowd with first to market sketch themes including 3D crayon sketch, charcoal sketch, animated sketch notebook, chalkboard sketch, animated flipbook sketch, black and white pencil drawing, 3D pencil sketch, and a lot more. This app is powered by next generation artificial intelligence that is super far than anything than you've seen before. Plus, unlike other apps that only create short videos, with Sketch Genius you can create unlimited ultra long video presentation without any monthly fees. How Sketch Genius is different from other apps? Here are some of the unique features that leave the computation in the dust. We can compare Sketch Genius with respect to other computing doodle app, where it has the photo to 3D sketch technology, captions and subtitles creator, speech to text transcription, 100 to text speech voices, one-click translation, upload your own voiceover, royalty free music and image library, automatic color detect technology, also the background removal. What kind of videos can be created using Sketch Genius? Sketch Genius unleash your creativity and build unique pattern interrupt 3D sketch animated videos in all languages. It helps to create ultra long videos up to 15 minutes long. We can create the crayon sketch videos, charcoal sketch videos, animated notebook videos, chalkboard sketch videos, color pencil sketch videos, blueprint sketch videos, also the animated sketch flipbook videos. Included with Sketch Genius app. It's the state-of-the-art features without monthly cost or subscription. It's world's first photo to sketch video. Also, it's backed by artificial intelligence. It has a speech-to-text transcription. All the sketch themes are never seen before. Male and female hands differentiation, flexible timeline editor, one-click translation, lifelike text to speech, also it has millions of free images, subtitles and captions maker. It also has a built-in library music, and also we can remove the background within just one click. Also we can get benefit by getting step-by-step training, which helps for the beginners. Also they're going to give the commercial license. You can sell videos to clients or as a freelancer to get profit. Also the unlimited usage forever. It has no limits, restrictions or monthly fees. If you like the product, please hit the like button below. Also you can watch my previous video on the demo part of Sketch Genius. Just sign up to win amazing prizes and a free copy of Sketch Genius. Also we can get the software giveaway, cash prize, and also we can get benefit with thousands of bonuses. So please don't miss out this value packed webinar. Just sign up to win. Earn a chance to get a free copy of Sketch Genius application by just signing up the webinar. Please check out the link in the description box if you need to sign up for the Sketch Genius. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, please do like and subscribe.